What is going on? Welcome to another video. Today I have a bird with me. His name is Tweety, right?
Yeah, my bird.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So I will climb up here. Good job. And yes, this is totally real. No animal abuse, of course.
See?
No, don't grab him. Let me grab him. Oh.
This is so cute.
Hey.
Taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat.
Get on my shoulder.
Want me to help
Get on
you?
my shoulder.
He doesn't want to go on your shoulder.
Alright, at least he's like, okay, yeah.
Bruh, don't turn your back.
This is Tweety.
Yep.
One kiss? No? Okay.
Are you going to sit down to say marry me or something?
No. This is Tweety, right? How old is he?
I had him for since my last birthday. Which is March 31st.
Why are you on my back? Look.
He's literally on my back. He's literally on the back.
Never mind. Never mind.
Okay, I'll actually get the cage. Where's it in my dirty room?
Ow!
So here's our little cage thing.
Well, that's not his real cage.
Yeah, it's not his real cage. But it's a horrible cage.
It's like for dogs. Well,
What?
not like real dogs, but like pet dogs. He's trying to bite me.
Sorry, you guys.
Don't put the camera down.
Sorry, you guys, if that was bad view.
It was. Probably.
Yeah.
Do not vlog that. Boy!
What?
Alright, you get them, and then I'll show them.
He's really...
Bruh. My camera's about to die.
Got ya!
Ow. And he is on my head.
Yeah. Yeah.
I always wanted to do this on my channel. Now I can finally do it. Ow, he pulled out my hair.
Do it to you.
He does bite, but like, oh, this is his owner, and she put him on my head, and he stayed, and he's about to fall.
Yeah. Oh, no. How are you staying up there?
He's literally standing on the wall.
He's literally standing on the poster thing. Bruh, you see that?
There
You
we
guys
go.
see that,
There
right?
we go.
He's pulling down my poster.
Don't be mad at him. He's trying to save his life. He's like,
Oh, he
ooh.
can fly.
Okay, so his name is Tweety. All right, she put him on my head, and he stayed. I tried to put him on her head. He did not stay. What happened the first time you put him on you put him on your head?
He pooped on me about 3 times.
That's funny.
This feels nice. I like how he scratches my head when I need a scratch.
So, I am currently in West Palm Beach, which is 4 hours away where I live. Shh. And I'm vlogging here.
Logan.
What?
Logan?
Logan?
Logan and Logan.
So, yeah, that's Tweety. Tweety the bird.
Yep.
I'm trying to get the weird glare. Hey. That's because my camera thing is cracked. My camera
They
lens.
wrote my name on it.
Look.
They wrote my name on it.
Look, if you look closely at the camera lens, look. You see it? It's cracked. Right?
Ooh.
Let me get him.
And guys, seriously, this is the time for me to make my very first video on my channel.
You have a channel?
I'm going to make my channel. I'm gonna ask my mom to make a channel.
Wait, don't open that. We can't let him anywhere where the what's it called? I just dropped it. Okay. So his favorite spot in the place is that toy thing up there. And up there, this painting used to be up there, and he used to like go up there, and we couldn't get him down. We had to like climb on the furniture. So, boy, want to say something to YouTube? So that was Tweety. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back in where I live. So yeah, this is my last day here. Not here. You get it. Alright. So yeah. I'll see you guys next time and say bye.
Bye. Let's make another video right now.
Sure. Bye.